divided into 4. G ahi ase 2000 plus hey G ahibo imane ho. That will be. This is the new rate. And this etu ami kole no hobo. It will have to go to assembly. It will have to go to jodi government feel kore. There everyone will be there. All sub public representative.
Anyway, summarize kori.
Jiman imane komo hobo pare. Yato komo hoi jabo pare. So we are expecting.
Amar follow kora ekidi je
we will not give pain to the public.
Olop consult koribo.
We will consult with your. Itia ami palu like we are very happy you are participating in this municipal reformation act and itia GA kori mami we will consult your organization and ami jiman parisu sobbor logot ami consult kori he korisu but this is only the draft trial and error method jitu sobe experiment kori ase but then for 6th schedule and especially BTC we are really concerned. Our government is really concerned and we are not going to give any pain to our public. This is our assurance.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam.